Hello, my friends. My name is Richard Weberg, for those of you who do not know me. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the easiest way to make extra cash online fast, especially for beginners. And I'm going to share with you several reasons as to why there is a much easier way to make extra cash online for people with no experience, no tech know how, have never really done any marketing online. Now, why should you listen to me? Well, I've been doing this stuff online now for over 22 years. Me and my son are partners in everything we do online. We are professional online marketers, and we have pretty much tried and done everything under the sun. One of the biggest things that we've been involved with the entire time is affiliate marketing and network marketing. We've done all of this other stuff. We've sold our own courses. We've sold our own products and services. We've pretty much tried everything, blogging, pretty much anything you can think of, we've done and have experience doing and have made money doing it. And one way has always outshone the rest of the ways big time. So make sure you listen and watch this whole video, because one of these ways, if you're new, have no experience, like I said, is definitely going to be the easiest way to make extra cash online fast. And that's what we're talking about in this video, not taking a super long time to start making money. And so with that said, you have multiple methods that you can make money online: affiliate marketing, drop shipping, creating digital products and selling them, influencer marketing, blogging, network marketing, YouTube monetization, selling your own products and services. And every one of these models have its caveats and its pros and cons, but most of these are not congruent to making money fast. And they have a learning curve, like number two here, a learning curve, that what it involves to actually get started and to do it successfully can be very big, because there's a lot to it. Like, as number three is listed here, website or funnel creation and hosting. With every one of these methods, except for really one or two of them, having a website and funnel creation, hosting is needed, especially in affiliate marketing, because you need a funnel that converts. But a lot of times you're going to have to learn, that's the learning curve, learn conversion. You're going to have to learn copywriting. You're going to have to learn how to make funnels or use an AI funnel creator that can aid you in the process. But it's going to run into a lot more expenses. A lot of people scream on YouTube that you can do affiliate marketing for free, and you really can't, not as a newbie or somebody with no experience, because it's not as simple, as straightforward as they try to make it sound. Because affiliate marketing, I was never successful in affiliate marketing until I started building my own email list. I had to build my own email list for me to make a penny, literally. I spent my first 3 years almost online trying to make money through affiliate marketing, and it was a big flop. It wasn't until I started building my own email list. So then it cost me money for an autoresponder. I had my own hosting. I had to come up with a front end product. I had to piece it all together. Pretty soon I launched my own membership site. But all these things took a lot of time. I mean, do you want to wait 3 years to make a penny online? I doubt it. Most people don't neither. And this video is about making money fast. But I'm just trying to explain there is a learning curve and expenses to drop shipping. Drop shipping has tons of expenses. Don't let anybody fool you about drop shipping. To me, drop shipping nowadays is a horrible business model. I see so many people selling their drop shipping businesses because it's costing them so much money. Because you got to have your own website, you got to have suppliers, you got to have payment processing, you got to do all the customer service, handle all the chargebacks, the refunds, customer complaints. You got to make sure the products, you can even get them, or that they're being delivered in a specific time frame. Otherwise you're going to have a whole host of problems. And so another big one with affiliate marketing or other things where you're dealing with another company that has to do with just making sales. Like, I know a lot of people out there who sell web hosting, sell autoresponders to marketers and different products like that. And a lot of other affiliate programs where waiting to get paid could be up to 90 days in some cases. There are many affiliate programs me and my son get paid from, and unfortunately some of them don't pay us for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. And that's way too long to wait. And that's why a lot of these models are not congruent for success for most people, because what do most people want? Most people want to make money fast. Most people coming online to make money don't have any experience, knowledge. They don't have any idea of what even to do to market anything they're trying to make money with. And so that's a big hindrance when you're also not going to get paid for a long period of time. And then, the other part of this is cookies with affiliate marketing, one-time payments. You stop selling, there's no more money. Last click. Some of these affiliate marketing programs do. Their cookie duration is short. And some of you watching this video won't even know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about cookies. You're thinking of, chocolate chip cookies. But there's a thing called cookies online, tracking reasons, handling payment processors, chargebacks, refund, customer support if you're selling your own products and services. And then you got, YouTube monetization, stuff like creating reels and videos on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, wherever, Facebook, and trying to get paid for doing funny videos and all this stuff through impressions. Problem is breaking through their algorithm nowadays. And again, a lot of you may not even know what that is watching this, is very difficult because the competition is fierce for doing so. And remember, you get paid pennies per views. And if you don't get millions of views of your stuff, you're not going to make any money really. And it takes a long time. And sometimes you may never break through that algorithm because their algorithms are algorithms. They just don't like what you're doing, period. I don't know. I've seen it happen multiple times where one person's just blows up. Another person can't break that algorithm to save their life no matter what they try, who they copy, nothing of the sort. They can't break it. So that is a big issue when it comes to that kind of stuff. It's not newbie friendly at all anymore. You can't just throw up videos and expect that they're going to get bomb full of traffic. It's not going to happen. Now, the easiest way, based on all my years of experience, and I've done network marketing since I was 20 years old and I'm 54, and I've done affiliate marketing for 22 years and network marketing at the same time, and I've done blogging. We still have blogs and all that kind of stuff because we, through the years, we're trying many different things that we were doing kind of all fit together. But one is, the biggest thing that is going to help you to make money fast and is the easiest way to get started immediately and be making money possibly today, tomorrow, get paid on Friday. And that is done for you network marketing. By far, network marketing has outpaid everything else we've ever done. It has created long-term residual income and has literally produced from programs hundreds of thousands of dollars for us, literally. Because the learning curve also is minute when it comes to done for you network marketing. And I'm talking about specific network marketing companies like the one we're involved with, Great Life Worldwide, where a lot of the aspects are done for you. Because, gone are the days of the giants like Amway and Melaleuca and Herbalife and all them. Hey, they grew to $1 billion, set the pathway for network marketing. They had to go through all the triumphs, the challenges, and everything like that to get it where it is today. But a lot of those are giants. They don't even deal digitally online still. And they're losing volume fast. And the reason they are is because they're not in digital marketing. They're not in done-for-you marketing online. Whereas the newer companies, even some that have been around a while that have morphed into a great company for doing business online as well, the speed is, way faster. These companies nowadays that are really good, like Great Life Worldwide, they're blowing up much quicker, faster, because they have speed on their side of reaching the world instantly. Okay? But the other part is the done for you aspects of these network marketing companies like Great Life Worldwide that make it so easy for people to get started and start making money very quickly. So why is that? Because done for you network marketing, there's no learning curve to get started. You literally can join, like I'll leave a link to Great Life Worldwide in the description on this video. If you want to join us, you could literally join us today, and in your back office, you will find lead capture pages that you can grab the link for and share them and be getting leads and signups today without learning anything. They're right on your dashboard. You grab the links and you're off to the races, literally. And Great Life Worldwide pays every Friday. And you just go in and request your commissions owed, and they pay on time every time. And we get paid like clockwork every time we go request our commissions owed. And that's the difference. You're not waiting 30, 60, 90 days to get money. And you're not having to deal with all the chargebacks, refunds, processors, cookies, because they're hard-coded to you. These leads are hard-coded to you, meaning by their email address and cookies, so that their name, email address, and cookies are all hard-coded to you. You're not going to lose them because of a cookie duration. So there's no waiting to get paid. Certain aspects of certain commissions, yeah, you may get paid in a month, but they have weekly payouts, literally. So fast cash. There's no need to create anything to get started. In fact, we've been building Great Life and we sign up people all the time, and we still just use the done for you lead capture pages. Why? Because they work and the company also follows up on our behalf. Do we know how to do email marketing and follow up and build funnels and email people on our email list that we've built? Yes, we do that all the time. But if we don't have to, or we can double it, it's more powerful. So you can learn other aspects of marketing as you go along, but you can get started and start earning money fast, which will give you money to be able to do other aspects of marketing that cost more money. Like, that's another thing with done for you network marketing nowadays with companies like Great Life is expenses. You literally can pay $20 a month. That's it. And you have a full turnkey business with Great Life Worldwide, where you do none of the support. You don't deal with any of the payment processors or chargebacks or customer support or refunds, commission paying out, none of that stuff. You don't have to create any lead pages. Lead pages convert. We use them all the time. They're done for you. Company follows up for your leads for you. Again, you don't have to do it. That's very important when it comes to somebody with no experience in marketing who needs to make money faster and has no technical abilities, because the learning curve can be steep, like I gave you the example of. I know people that have been trying to learn affiliate marketing for years and have never made anything. Why? Because they're still in the creation process of trying to figure out how to piece all these things together when you don't have to. Done for you network marketing, and when you have great products like we do, it makes it a real no-brainer. But $20 a month, where can you get a turnkey business for $20 a month? Oh my God, I wish I would have understood that, when I started my own retail stores years ago in our local mall. I wish I would have understood the simplicity of online and what it would do. And even I got my start in Amway when I was 20, and even Amway was super expensive. When I was blowing through thousands of dollars a month when I was in Amway. Why? Because of back then there was no internet. You had to travel. I had to drive my car. I was driving 300 miles a day every single day. I was flying to do meetings in person in hotel and belly to belly, sitting in coffee shops. I almost died several times because I was so tired because I was driving so much. Those days are gone. We live in a digital age. You can reach the masses online just by sharing links on social media alone. But again, this is one of the fastest ways, the fastest way you will ever make money is through network marketing, because all of these things I just said, there's no learning curve, no waiting to get paid, no needing to create anything to get started, hard-coded leads and sales, done for you lead pages and follow-up, done for you customer support, company handles all payment processing, and residual income. Oh my God. Our mainstay online, no matter what we've promoted, done, even our own products and services, have been residual income from network marketing. It trumps all of the income we've ever developed. Why? Because it is congruent to building masses of residual income. The longer you do it for one company and keep building your team and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, you can make an absolute fortune online. And that's what I'm going to leave you with today is network marketing, direct sales, MLM is responsible for, over the years, creating over 15 million millionaires, more than anything else out there. Why? because it is congruent with building residual income through customers and building a team. And customers online, somebody visits your website, they don't want to join, but they look at one of your products, they become a customer. You don't even talk to them half time. Half time our customers, we haven't even talked to them. They go right through our website and buy products and services, and we've never even talked to them once. And it goes to the same way with people who sign up in our business sometimes. Sometimes we have never, ever talked to them. They landed on our lead capture page because we shared it, joined us, and we make residual income. Everything about network marketing screams residual income, and the sky's the limit to what you can build, especially with the comp plan like we have, because it's whatever you can dream up you can make with this company, because the comp plan is the best I've ever seen in my life. So again, done for you network marketing, all my years of experience, everything we've ever done, the number one best way to make extra cash online fast, especially for beginners and those people with no experience. If you have experience, then it's even faster to make extra cash. I mean, you'll be building a huge organization when you have marketing experience like we do. That it's an absolute no-brainer compared to any of these other models. I would never choose one of these models over what we do, period, as a mainstay. Our mainstay, network marketing. And so what is the biggest things people need right now too? Not want, but need. They want to save money and they want to make money. Great Life offers both of that. Everything wrapped up into a done-for-you system that can help you to make fast cash and help anyone make fast cash. So other than that, my friends, I'll leave a link below this video. If you want to join us, you can just click on that link and take the free tour and then join us. And we will contact you after that by email, because we'll get a notification that you have joined us, and we get the information of you as a lead, and we will be in touch with you. Other than that, my friends, we'll see you on another video, and I hope you have a great day.